Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel Power Query tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain using a Power Query how to get only the odd and even rows, filter the rows to get odd and even rows only from an Excel sheet. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice from this list of records, I have sorted only the even numbers or the odd numbers. Suppose if the record 5 is Raju, which is the even number, if I select this is the 10, notice what will happen if I refresh the data. See, here we got the 10 Raju is showing in the even rows. Before it was the odd rows, now we got the even rows. Now let's again make it 5 here. Now this one I'm adding new record Lalita 1 2 3 4 5. Now I have added new record 10. Now refresh all. So here we got the 10 Lalita is even record is added here, and 5 Raju we have updated from 10 to 5 again.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
Notice on my Excel sheet contains some data, student record, student number, student name and mobile number. Now my aim is I want to filter these records to get here. I'm giving the heading here even rows, and here I'm adding odd rows. Now here in the even rows, I want to get 2, 4, 6, 8, whatever the even records are there, I want to get here. And wherever the odd rows, I want to get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. I want to get the odd rows from this list. For that, I am using a Power Query. So in order to create a Power Query, go to data. In the data, notice there is a from table option, click that one. Now select the range. I have selected the range. My table has address. I am selecting the checkbox also because my table has address, which is a student number, student name and mobile number. Click OK. Once I click OK, it redirected to the Power Query editor with the selector range of list. Now my aim is I want to get only the even numbers first. First, I will filter the records to get even numbers. For that, notice on the menu bar there is an add column here. Click that one. In the add column, from number, in the from number there is an information drop down list. Open that one. Is even. Notice here is even. Click that one. Here we got is even, false, true there. Wherever true is there, there are the even numbers. So what I'll do is I will unselect the false. So I will get the true only. Now go to home, close and load to table, existing worksheet. I'm selecting the range here. F4, I want to display the even rows. Click load. And here we got the even numbers. Now I will get the odd numbers here. Again, go to table 1, the query, double click that one. We redirected to the query editor. Now this time, what I'll do is I'm selecting the duplicate table. Right click the mouse, duplicate. If you select to sort here only, the first even records will updated. So we need to create the duplicate table. Now I will select this time false. Only false I have selected. Click OK. Now we got the odd numbers. Then click close and load to. I am selecting the table, existing worksheet, the range is here I have selected. Click load. And here we got the records of the odd numbers. Now we don't require this even and true or false options. So open any query editor. Now delete this, remove this column is even. That's it. Now close and load to. Again switch over to the table 2, This one also delete, remove this one, close and load to. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice from this list of records, I have sorted only the even numbers or the odd numbers. Suppose if the record 5 is Raju, which is the even number, if I select this is the 10, notice what will happen if I refresh the data. See, here we got the 10 Raju is showing in the even rows. Before it was the odd rows, now we got the even rows. Now let's again make it 5 here. Now this one I am adding new record, Lalita 1 2 3 4 5. Now I have added new record 10. Now refresh all. So here we got the 10 Lalita is even record is added here, and 5 Raju we have updated from 10 to 5 again. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to filter the records, even or odd rows, from a list of table in Excel sheet using a Power Query. And notice here we have not used any formula in this application. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.